Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn on how to top up Pioneer Card. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Pioneer on your web browser. You just have to sign up or log in, and this is the homepage that will be shown to you. After that, in the left hand side, there is a Pioneer Card. So you just have to click there, and the different cards that you have created will be shown, and there will be option to order a card as well, and there is also an option of past card that has been used before. So you will just click on a card that you want to top up. So you will just click here on the arrow. After that, in the bottom right corner there is the three dot sign. You'll just click here, and due to bug it hasn't shown additional option that is top up. So when the bug is fixed, there will be an option of top up. So you can just click on the top up option and you can turn on the top up option for your Pioneer Card. You can estimate the amount that you can top up. Also you can make it custom also. So this is how you can top up on the Pioneer Card. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.